Welcome to Inside Vietnam. Today we're diving into the heart of Vietnamese culture, Tet, or the Lunar New Year, the most important and meaningful celebration of the year. In the weeks leading up to Tet, streets across Vietnam come alive. Families head to special Tet markets to buy flowers, fruits, red decorations, and lucky charms. Homes are filled with the colors of spring. Yellow apricot blossoms in the south, and pink peach blossoms in the north. 7 days before Tet, on the 23rd day of the last lunar month, Vietnamese families celebrate a special ritual called Kitchen God's Day. People clean their kitchen altar and release live carp fish into rivers, so the kitchen gods can ride them to heaven and report on the family's behavior to the Jade Emperor. As Tet gets closer, families clean their homes top to bottom. It's not just about tidying up, it's believed to sweep away bad luck and make room for new blessings. They also prepare the family altar, placing fresh fruit, flowers, and incense to invite their ancestors to return home and celebrate Tet together. Food is a big part of Tet. People prepare banh chung, a square, sticky rice cake in the north, and banh tet, a round version in the south. Both are filled with pork and mung beans, wrapped in leaves, and boiled for hours in large pots. These special dishes symbolize family, earth, and tradition. On New Year's Eve, families gather for a big meal known as the year-end feast. After dinner, they light incense, say prayers at the altar, and reflect on the year that's passed. It's not just about tidying up. It's believed to sweep away bad luck and make room for new blessings. The first visitor to your house on New Year's Day is believed to bring good fortune. Children receive red envelopes with money, called Li Zai, to wish them health, happiness, and success. It's not just about tidying up. It's believed to sweep away bad luck and make room for new blessings. The streets burst into celebration. Lion dances, fireworks, traditional games, and music. People dress in colorful silk outfits called Ao Dai and wish each other Happy New Year. Tet is more than a holiday. Thanks for joining us on Inside Vietnam, and see you in the next story.